Well, hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trading News coming to you live from Vanguard, guys. It's a great time to be live. We're going to be talking about Pepe coin. What is going on with Pepe coin? Pepe coin is up like 100%. We're going to be talking about some of the history of Pepe coin. Where did this coin come from? What is it all about? We're going to be talking about that. Also, we're going to be talking about, looks like a huge Dogecoin wallet has awakened. Bing, after 9.3 years. So what does that mean for Dogecoin? That means bad stuff's going to happen to Doge. So we're going to be talking about that, and also some huge setups for Bitcoin, some huge setups for Bitcoin, and it's just a matter of time for Bitcoin spikes, Dogecoin spikes, and everything is about to go to the moon. And also we're seeing more and more banks are actually having problems. It could be more banking contagion, more banking collapses out there. So this is exactly as the inverse Kramer predicted. Inverse Kramer said, look, banks are fine. Treasury Secretary, banks are fine. Powell, banks are fine. Well, I'm going to show you that more banks are about to go tankity tank down, down, guys. So let's jump into content without any further delay. It's a great time to be alive here in Bangkok out there. It's hard to wake up early in Bangkok, guys. You know what I mean. So, guys, let's get into the content without any further delay. So we did see that yesterday. We saw that Apple's earnings went up better than expected, not too shabby out there. We did see that, most of broader markets are down, down. And a lot of that has to do with this. Looks like PacWest Bancorp, they're down 50% today. So, guys, this bank is about to, in my opinion, to have a lot of problems. It did ask for some help out there. It's asking for some life support out there. Also, we're seeing that as well. First Horizon is also down 33% as well. Trading was halted. So, guys, it ain't looking good. So, inverse Kramer, what I gotta say, you're right, brother. Inversely, you're right. Also, guys, we're seeing a lot of regional banks are getting hammered right now. The big banks like JP Morgan, they seem to be fine. But all of the regional banks, PacWest down 47%, First Horizon down 40%, Western Alliance down, Home Street, Metropolitan Bank, Citizens Financial, Zions, Key Corp, and Valley National. So we're seeing that a lot of these banks are going down, and we're seeing that PacWest Bank is now worth just $400 million after being worth so much as $5 billion earlier this year. So it ain't looking good. It ain't looking good for banks out there, but this is good for crypto. It's absolutely good for crypto out there, and we can see that right now that Bitcoin has come back. This is an hourly chart. We're seeing that Bitcoin is up right now. It had a nice move to the upside. If you take a look at Bitcoin on the daily right now, get a better overview of what's going on. We can see that Bitcoin had a nice pump, a nice spike on the daily. It's up almost 1.41%. Is above the 28,800 level. It is at 29,338. And remember, when we had SVB tank, we did see that Bitcoin went up significantly, and that was in this area here. So we could see some more pumpage out there. We could see that $30,000 resistance coming in for a Bitcoin very shortly. So this is good. This is good for crypto, guys, because a lot of people, they need a place to move their money because right now, they ain't believing the banks, and they need somewhere to put their money as a safe haven out there, guys. So, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, gold out there seems to be what people are gravitating for. In terms of interest rate hikes, we have 5 weeks, 5 days, 14 hours, and most people are saying there's going to be no rate hikes out there. It's going to be unchanged out there. Nothing's going to happen. We're seeing DXY going down, exactly what we want. My target is right here. We need to get ourselves above 98, below 98 cents. And we are seeing that the Bitcoin dollars and the Ethereum dollars are also coming up. So that's interesting out there. We're seeing S&P tank, as I told you. Fear and greed went down slightly, just slightly. We're still greedy out there. I'm not too worried. If we take a look at the heat map right now, the only thing that's really pumping according to the heat map is Bitcoin. Everything else is kind of neutral out there, so I'm not too worried. We're seeing the Bitcoin dollars is going up, and that is pretty good out there. We're seeing Ethereum dollars is also quite unchanged out there. We're seeing right now that Bitcoin is up slightly, 0.74%, 29,264. Ethereum is up as well. BNB is neutral. XRP down slightly. Cardano down 0.21%. And we're seeing that Dogecoin is getting a little bit of hammer time out there, guys. So that's what's going on from that perspective. And, let's take a look at what's going on with Pepe. Ethereum. Let's talk about Ethereum first. So Ethereum is still respecting my upward trend line, so that is pretty good. We got a point of confluence here. We're going to see the bears and the bulls fighting it out as we get to this level, but so far so good out there. What's going on with Pepe? Well, Pepe's up like 97.55% right now. Interesting. And, one of the reasons that Pepe is up is because of this tweet here, guys. So over the next hour, you'll see some transactions taking place from Pepe X wallet to ETH. A multi-signature is being created, and the CEX wallet tokens will be transferred to them through the SIG. So it looks like we could be seeing a huge transfer of Pepe tokens to a centralized exchange. Now, some people are rumored to think that this could be Binance. Binance could be listing Pepe token, because right now, if you want to buy Pepe token, it's not easy. You can see Uniswap, OKX, Gate.io, Hubei, Pololex, BitGet, MXC, PancakeSwap. But, most people, if they want to buy Pepe, they're going to have to use Uniswap or Binance, PancakeSwap, or some kind of DEX out there to swap it out there. We have some minor exchanges like OKK, Gate.io, Hubei out there. But a lot of people are not using that. A lot of people are Binance users. So if Pepe gets listed on Binance, it's going to be freaking huge. Freaking huge, guys. So that is cool beans out there. So we are seeing that right now that Pepe, our friend Pepe coin is up 100%, guys, and it seems to be showing no indication it's going to be stopping, guys. It just continues to go up and up and up. So what is Pepe coin? What is Pepe coin? We're going to be talking about that. But let's take a look at the users. Right now, we're seeing that the Pepe coin is now number 54. It's like come out from nowhere. Like from beginning of April, and suddenly it's come up 54. And we're seeing that the total market cap of Pepe is getting pretty close to 1 billion out there, guys. If you take a look at the total holders of Pepe right now, we're seeing the total number of holders for Pepe is about 88,000. Let's call it 89,000 holders out there. And we're seeing that Pepe it seems to be unstoppable. If we take a look at the number of holders of SHIB right now, SHIB holders are around about 1.2 million. So that's around about 12x. So SHIB holders have about 12x. Dogecoin has about 741,000 holders. That's about a 7x. But we're seeing, look at the market cap of Dogecoin. Market cap of Dogecoin is 10.4. The market cap of SHIB right now. Where's the market cap? Market cap of SHIB. Where is it? I just saw it. Where is it? Let me go back here. The market cap is 10.4. The market cap of SHIB is 5.8. The market cap of Pepe right now is about just under $1 billion. But this thing is picking up steam. So what the heck is Pepe? What is Pepe? Well, let's talk about it. Well, as you guys know, Pepe is exploding. It's rising in value. It's just a meme coin, okay? So Pepe is a cryptocurrency that was created by Matt Fury. The coin is based on the popular internet meme, Pepe the Frog. The frog has become a symbol of internet culture, has been used in countless memes. So it's a meme coin. So basically, Pepe was created by artist Matt Fury, who created the Pepe Frog meme in 2005. The meme gained popular on internet forums and social platforms, eventually becoming a symbol of internet culture, like on Reddit and stuff like that. In 2015, Pepe the Frog meme coin was co-opted by ultra-right-wing groups, used as a symbol of hate. Oh my God. This led to Fury trying to reclaim it, claim the character, create a positive image. So it was, it was created as an internet meme, positive image, and then it was taken over by some bad people. Okay, so basically, what's the future of a digital asset? Well, Pepe coin has become a popular digital asset thanks to the connection to the internet culture and the Pepe Frog meme. The coin has seen significant increase in value since launching, making it attractive investment for traders. Guys, once this thing goes onto mainstream centralized platforms, it could pop, guys. It could pop. This thing is kind of having a pretty kind of similar, growth as Shiba Inu out there. It's also going a little bit through the, the Dogecoin growth phase as well. So, would I buy Pepe? I personally, I might throw a couple $100 in there, like a lottery ticket, and see if this thing goes ding, ding, ding for me. But that's what I might do. But still, I'll take profits at 200%. I'll take profits at 400%. and then the rest I'll let it ride, guys. So that's what I would do. Not financial advice. Remember, none of this is financial advice, guys. We're seeing Pepe is soaring 90% in the last 24 hours. Why? Because like I said, we're seeing that a whole bunch of tokens are being shifted to a centralized exchange. This could be Binance and Binance list. Pepe will go to the freaking moon, guys. That's what I'm thinking. Like here, right? A lot of coins are getting shifted, so that's kind of interesting. Dogecoin wallet with 1,556,000 Doge comes alive after 9.3 years. So it looks like this Dogecoin wallet. That goes back about 9.3 years eventually has awoken. They bought these coins for about 1,365 Doge. It's now worth $121,000. So looks like most of them have been sold. So this guy cashed out. There's been some speculation why suddenly this Dogecoin wallet woken. Some speculate that they lost their keys and they finally found their keys. So that is what's going on with that guy. So kind of interesting. Should you be scared out there? No. There's a lot of Doge to go around, guys, so I wouldn't worry about that too much. Right now, for the price of Dogecoin is below 8 cents. Not good out there. It's trading right now at 0.787. What do I see happening? Well, because we didn't break up the support line, in fact, we have broken down. I expect we could see Dogecoin probably trading between 0.7 cents for a couple of days until it hits this wall here. A little point of confluence here. I like that point of confluence. And if we can, get past that, then we'll set this back up above 8 cents. But not right now. It looks like we're just going to have some sideways crabby walk out there. For the Doge is down about 1% right now. It's at 0.7883. Let me give this a minute fresh. Don't forget to smash the likes. I show some love with Dogecoin. One moment. So we're at 0.783. The volumes are down 19%. We're seeing the market cap is at 10.9 billion out there. Wow, Pepe, insane, guys. If you guys bought Pepe early on in the day, you guys have been making out like Flynn right now. Wow. So Dogecoin, 54% are in the money, 43% are out there. Let's take a look at returns before we talk. Let's talk about Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the returns. So far this year, we're seeing Bitcoin is up. It's had nothing but positive months so far. I mean, we could see a bit of a reversal in May. I don't know. Like I said in my earlier videos, I think May's entry point and exit point will be exactly the same. I don't think we're going to see much happening for Bitcoin in May. Bitcoin bounced right high. Bitcoin bounced from higher low support of the triangle pattern. It is currently facing some resistance at 19.3 range, and it was a large support. A large breakout from the triangle in the coming days will determine the direction. So 19.3, 29.3 is a bit of a resistance. If we can get past that, we should be fine and dandy out there. And if we take a look at where we are right now with Bitcoin, we're exactly at 19.3. A little bit of resistance there. So let me just put a little bit of resistance line in there for you guys out there. So a little bit of resistance right there. So that's gonna be where the bulls and the bears are gonna be fighting it out there. I wouldn't worry too much about it. We'll probably get up. It's just a matter of time. BTC next move is coming in hot. So we're kind of like in this area right now. This is the measured 1, 2, 3 move here. 1, 2, 3, 4 move. We can see a parabolic rise. We can see $49,000. And this is a step-like formation. And we are seeing a step-like formation on the weekly. So our next move, according to this, could be to the 3 level, then a breakdown of the 4 level, and it looks like we could be seeing some parabolic move out there in the long term. This is not like tomorrow. This is not like next month. This is like by the end of the year, we can see this kind of movement out there. So don't beat me up out there. We're seeing that the hash rate of Bitcoin is a parabolic on uptrend chart. What does this tell us? Well, more money is being invested in Bitcoin mining each day, network effect, and the adoption of Bitcoin increases daily. And as we see the hash rate of Bitcoin going up, often the price falls, guys. So the network is looking healthy, lovely and jubbly out there. BTC bull run starts, guys. We are here. We are freaking here. Bull run is going to start, will start. We're going to go to the freaking moon, guys. That's what's going to happen. Looks like Bitcoin update. FOMC is over. FOMC is over, guys. And the Bitcoin is still above the yellow band out there. The orange band. As I said, the orange line has always played an important role for Bitcoin in recent years. The next strong resistance is at 37K, guys. Wow, 37K coming in. Bitcoin is tightening range. It's about to decide a move. Where do you think we're going to go short term? Up or down? 2024, long term, I see upside potential. I agree. 2024, 40,000. I think I see higher. 2025, 150, 250K. Definitely, I believe that. Not financial advice. So where do you guys think that Bitcoin is going to be in the next 7 days? Higher or lower? Comment, guys. So global liquidity. Look at global liquidity. As global liquidity increases, this is the amount of money that's being printed. Bitcoin is just going up and up. Best hedge against inflation, guys. Also, guys, if you got your cryptocurrency on a centralized exchange, get it off there, get it on the hardware wallet, go down and check out my link. Be part of the conversation out there, guys. Be part of the conversation. I would appreciate it, guys. So it's a great time to be live, guys. Don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. Follow, guys. Let's see if we can get this up to 7,600, guys. I appreciate it. Guys, don't forget to go and check out all the merch, guys. Get the merch, be the merch. I'll see you in the freaking next one, guys. Be well, be blessed from Bangkok. And if anybody's in Bangkok, guys, don't forget to DM me. Maybe we can go hook up and get a coffee out there. I appreciate it, guys. Be well, be blessed. Peace out.